Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today we're diving into one of the most intense and fast-moving geopolitical confrontations in the world right now, the escalating conflict often described as the Israel-Iran war, where Iran retaliates following U.S. actions and Israel responds with direct strikes as Tehran launches waves of missiles and drones. This situation has rapidly evolved into a dangerous regional standoff that is drawing global attention and raising serious concerns about what could happen next.
The latest escalation began after heightened tensions between Iran and Israel reached a breaking point. For years, the rivalry between Israel and Iran has played out through proxy conflicts, cyber operations, covert missions, and strategic threats. However, recent developments suggest a shift from indirect confrontation to more open and direct military engagement. Iran's retaliation comes after what it describes as aggression supported or carried out with backing from the United States. Tehran claims that previous Israeli strikes targeted key Iranian assets and commanders, and that American involvement, whether logistical, intelligence-based, or direct, crossed a red line. In response, Iran launched a large-scale operation involving ballistic missiles and armed drones aimed at Israeli territory. The missile and drone barrage marked a significant moment because it demonstrated Iran's willingness to strike openly rather than relying solely on allied militias. Reports indicate that dozens, and possibly hundreds, of projectiles were launched in coordinated waves. The goal appeared to be overwhelming Israeli air defense systems and sending a clear political message that Iran is prepared to escalate if it believes its sovereignty or strategic interests are under direct attack. Israel, known for its advanced defense technology, activated its multi-layered air defense systems immediately. Systems like Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow were reportedly used to intercept incoming threats. Israeli officials stated that a majority of the incoming missiles and drones were intercepted before reaching major population centers, although some damage and injuries were reported. The Israeli government quickly responded with its own set of strikes. According to military sources, Israel targeted strategic Iranian facilities believed to be linked to missile production, drone manufacturing, and military command infrastructure. The response was described as measured but firm, signaling that Israel intended to deter further aggression without immediately triggering a full-scale regional war. The United States also played a critical role in this unfolding crisis. American forces stationed in the region reportedly assisted in intercepting some of the incoming Iranian projectiles. The U.S. administration emphasized its commitment to Israel's security while also urging restraint to prevent further escalation. This delicate balancing act reflects Washington's broader concern about being drawn into another prolonged Middle Eastern conflict. For Iran, the retaliation served multiple purposes. Domestically, it demonstrated strength and resolve to its population and political base. Regionally, it signaled to allies and adversaries alike that Tehran is capable of projecting power beyond its borders. Internationally, it challenged what Iran sees as a pattern of unchecked Israeli military operations. At the same time, Iran framed its actions as defensive rather than aggressive. Officials in Tehran argued that the missile and drone launches were a proportional response to prior strikes. They emphasized that they do not seek a wider war but are prepared to respond forcefully if attacked again. Israel's leadership, however, interpreted the barrage as a direct and unacceptable act of war. Israeli officials warned that any attack on their territory would be met with severe consequences. The rhetoric on both sides has intensified, raising fears that miscalculation or further provocations could push the region into a broader and more devastating conflict. One of the most concerning aspects of this situation is the potential involvement of regional actors. Groups aligned with Iran, such as militias in neighboring countries, could open additional fronts against Israel. This would complicate the security landscape and increase the risk of civilian casualties across multiple nations. The economic implications are also significant. Global oil markets reacted nervously to the escalation, with prices fluctuating amid fears of supply disruptions. The Middle East remains a crucial energy hub, and any sustained military confrontation could have ripple effects on global trade and economic stability. Diplomatic efforts are underway behind the scenes. Several countries have called for immediate de-escalation and a return to dialogue. International organizations are urging both sides to exercise restraint and prioritize diplomatic channels over military action. However, deep mistrust between Israel and Iran makes meaningful negotiations extremely challenging. Another key factor is the role of advanced military technology. Iran's use of drones highlights how modern warfare has evolved.
Drones can travel long distances, evade detection, and be deployed in large numbers at relatively low cost. Israel's air defense systems, on the other hand, showcase the importance of technological superiority in protecting national security. The information war is also playing out intensely. Both sides are shaping narratives to justify their actions and rally domestic and international support. Social media, official statements, and international news outlets are filled with competing claims about damage, casualties, and the effectiveness of military operations. For civilians in the region, the escalation brings anxiety and uncertainty. Air raid sirens, emergency alerts, and heightened security measures have disrupted daily life. Families on both sides are concerned about safety and the possibility of further attacks. The broader geopolitical implications cannot be ignored. Relations between Iran and Western powers have been tense for years, particularly over nuclear issues and regional influence. This latest confrontation adds another layer of complexity to already fragile diplomatic relations. Military analysts are closely watching whether this cycle of attack and retaliation will continue or if it will be contained. Historically, both Israel and Iran have demonstrated a preference for calculated actions designed to avoid all-out war. However, the scale and openness of this recent exchange suggest that the threshold for direct confrontation may be shifting. The United States now faces a difficult decision-making environment. Supporting Israel is a long-standing policy, but avoiding a wider regional war is also a priority. American officials are likely engaging in intense consultations with allies to determine next steps and prevent further escalation. At the same time, global powers such as European nations and regional countries are advocating for calm. There is widespread recognition that a full-scale war between Israel and Iran could destabilize the entire Middle East, drawing in multiple actors and creating humanitarian crises. Public opinion within each country also plays a role. National pride, security concerns, and political pressures can influence leaders' decisions. Strong rhetoric may resonate domestically but can also narrow diplomatic options. As we analyze the situation, it's important to separate confirmed facts from speculation. In rapidly evolving conflicts, misinformation can spread quickly. Verified reports indicate significant military exchanges, but many details remain unclear and subject to revision. What happens next depends on several factors: whether additional strikes occur, how severe any damage turns out to be, and whether diplomatic efforts gain traction. A pause in hostilities could open space for negotiation, while further attacks could lock both sides into a dangerous cycle. In conclusion, the Israel-Iran confrontation has entered a new and more direct phase. Iran's missile and drone retaliation, Israel's counterstrikes, and the involvement of the United States have transformed a shadow conflict into an overt military exchange. The stakes are high, not just for the countries directly involved but for the entire region and the global community. This is a rapidly developing story, and we will continue to monitor updates as they emerge. The hope among many observers is that cooler heads will prevail and that diplomatic solutions can prevent further loss of life and regional instability. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates and in-depth analysis on this critical global issue.